In this video, we are going to be installing Kali Linux on VMware. So let's get started with the installation process. The first thing we have to do is download and install VMware. So open up your browser and go to google.com and search for download VMware and then press enter. Click on the first link which says download VMware Workstation Player. We will be downloading the free version of VMware. So scroll down and under try workstation 17 player for Windows, click on download now and your download will get started. Wait for the download to get finished. After the installer has been downloaded, open the folder that your file got downloaded on. I can confirm that this file got downloaded into the downloads folder. So click on the installer file 2 times and your installation process will start up. First click on next. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and then click on next. From here, you have the option to change the installation path if you want by clicking the change button here. But I'll not do that. I'll keep everything as default and then click on next. I do not want product update or I do not want to join the VMware customer experience improvement program. That's why I'm unchecking these two, but you can keep it check marked if you want and then click on next. I'll keep this as default too and then click on next and finally click on install. After the installation has been completed, click on finish. And now I can confirm that my VMware workstation has been installed successfully. As you can see, the icon is in my desktop. Now let's install the pre-built version of Kali Linux and connect it with our VMware workstation. So to do that, open up your browser again and go to the URL kali.org and then press enter. From here, click on download. From here, I have two options. I'll be going with the virtual machines because my Kali Linux will be pre-built, which means I do not have to do any configuration. So I'll click on this one. And from here, you have two options, either the 64-bit or the 32-bit. I'll be going with the 64-bit. And under VMware, click on the download icon and your download will begin. This is a 3 GB file, so wait for the download to get completed. After the download has been finished, open the folder that your file got downloaded on. I can see this is the file that just got downloaded. Right click on the file and then click on extract all. I will be keeping the extraction path as default, which is the downloads folder. So I'll click on extract. And after the extraction has been completed, I can confirm this is the folder that just got extracted in the downloads folder. So now I will open my VMware workstation, keep the non-commercial use selected and then click on continue, click on finish. After my VMware workstation starts, I'll click on open a virtual machine. I'm not clicking on create a new virtual machine because I've already downloaded the virtual machine and no pre-configuration is needed. So I'll click on open a virtual machine. Go to the downloads folder. I know this is the folder that just got extracted. Go to the folder. Select the VMware MD64 virtual machine and then click on open and then finally click on play virtual machine. And as you can see, my Kali Linux has started. The default username is Kali and the default password is also Kali and then click on login. So this is the easiest way to download and install Kali Linux in VMware. That is for the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.